How are you all? I hope you are well at home. Today I will take the class subject Science of class 5. So let us begin class. Class 5 Science Chapter 1. Chapter 1 we will see the human body. Chapter 1 is saying human body. The circulatory system in human body, the circulatory system. So first in the first page there is exercise you can do by yourself. So there are main points. There are 4 main points I will describe in short. First one is learn about the different organs of circulatory system and their function. Second one is learn the function of blood. Third one is learn about the types of blood vessels, arteries, veins and capillaries. Fourth one is understand the process of blood circulation. So we will go one by one. First one, the circulatory system. Circulatory system, what is circulatory system actually? We will see in definition. Circulatory system is, we can define circulatory system as an organ system that allows circulation and transportation of nutrients and oxygen in the body, as well as the removal of waste products from our body. So whatever we are eating nutrients, so it will go to our body, and oxygen whatever we are taking in, it will send in the each part of the body, and it will remove the waste like our body product, for example the sweat and the urine. These are called the removal of waste. So this is the circulatory system. Now what are the different parts of circulatory system? There are 3 things. First one is heart, second one is blood, third one is blood vessels. So there are three parts in circulatory system. Okay. So first one is heart, second one is blood and blood vessel. So if you read this, you can understand by yourself. It is very simple, and we will go in direct in structure of heart. Structure of heart, how the heart is made. See, if you see our picture there are 4 chambers. There are 4 chambers in heart. Okay, the 2 upper chambers are called left atrium and right atrium. The 2 lower chambers are called left ventricles and right ventricles. These are the main thing. These main 4 chambers are there in our heart. So I am not going in details. You can read by yourself. Now blood. We will come to the blood. We will see in our question answer also there is the function of heart. So function of blood is the nutrients obtained from the digested food from small digestion to all parts of the body. So it will supply the digestion from all parts of the body. Now oxygen from lungs to all the cells of the body, It also takes back carbon dioxide from these cells to the lungs. Okay, so it will take back to the lungs. Liquid waste generated in the body to the kidneys for its removal. So whatever products in our body is happening, so everything it will remove. These are the function of blood. So there are three types of blood cells. How many types? There are three types of blood cells. First one is the red blood cells. Then second one is white blood cell and platelets. So what are the function of red blood cell? What is the red blood cells? In red blood cells, it presents in the blood are responsible for absorbing oxygen from the air we breathe in. So whatever we are breathing in the fresh air, it will absorb the red blood cells. Okay, then transporting it to all cells of the body. After that, it will transport in the all parts of the body. Now, what is the work of white blood cells? White blood cells is they help in building in immune system of the body. Okay, what is immune system now? Immune system is the kind of blood cells which will help us to fight against diseases. So where we'll get it? We'll get it from a different kind of food. If you eat that kind of food, you can have in your body immune system more. So in this time we should eat immune protein food. Then each protein food there is immune system more. And the next platelets. Platelets is they help in clotting of blood to preserve blood loss. Platelets is it will preserve the blood from the blood loss. Suppose for example you got cut by plane and your blood is coming out from your body. So after some time you will see there is no more blood loss. Why? Because we have in our body platelets. It will take the blood in. All the blood will take one place. Okay, so it will not bleeding again. It will not bleed again. Okay, that is called because we have the platelets in our body. That's why bleeding is no more in our body. Okay, so you can see the picture of heart and the capillaries here. So we will go to the next page. Blood vessels. Blood vessels we will see there are main three kinds of blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. So arteries, what is the arteries? Arteries are the blood vessels which carry the blood away from our heart to the all parts of our body. These are called arteries. Okay, so there is one more word, arterioles. Arteriole is the smallest blood arteries which will provide, it is like a network in our body. It will send all the blood to the every parts of our body. Now veins is blood vessel that carry back the blood to the heart. So from all parts of the body, all the blood will carry back to the heart again. These are called vein. There are two parts, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Now superior is what is above the heart. Above the heart, whatever blood comes, that is called superior vena cava, and lower the heart, what is blood will come, that called inferior vena cava. Now capillaries, what is the capillaries? Capillaries is the smallest blood vessel are called capillaries. It will connect small arteries with small small veins, they have very thin wall, and all exchange of materials take place in the capillary level. Okay, so these are the three kinds of blood vessels. Now blood circulation. Blood circulation, you see there is first 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is very simple, and picture also given. If you understand, you can, if you read this one, you can understand by yourself. Okay, so true and false you can do by yourself. One I am doing, for example, number 3. The smallest blood vessels are called capillaries. True or false? Yes, it is true. Now others you can do by yourself. Now healthy heart, how can be our heart healthy? There are many kinds of, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 7 points are there, and also there is yogas. Okay, so just I am telling the physical active. If you are physical active, there is no heart problem. Okay, you can keep your heart healthy. How? By exercising, by walking, or by working. Okay, now choose outdoor sports. Indoor sports will not affect much, but if you choose outdoor sports, the heart will remain better. Do not watch TV while eating food. That is very important now since you are at home. So when you are eating, you should not watch TV. Now eat a variety of nutritious food. So every day you can change your food items. Now avoid junk food. This is very necessary. Avoid junk food. Okay, junk food are not good for our health. Manage stress. So we should not be stressed. You should not be in stress. You should not be in tension. You should be free in mind. Stay away from polluted surrounding. That means you should keep your surrounding clean. Then only your heart will be okay. Now one more is there, yoga. You have to do regularly yoga, then only your heart will be keeping very healthy. So there are steps are there. You can do by yourself at home. Sit down and do these exercises. Maintain normal level of blood pressure in blood vessels. Increase capacity of lungs, improve blood circulation, improve heart rate, reduce stress, reduce weight. These are the points you can do by yourself. Now there are word meaning are there. Word meaning you can memorize yourself, very important this one for exams. And there are exercises, there are tick marks, short question answers, everything I have mentioned in the PDF file, and you can memorize. And if you have any problem, you can contact me and I can tell you. Okay, thank you.